Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vegan oatmeal. We'll start with the fundamental steps for a perfect bowl. First, combine 1/2 cup of rolled oats with 1 cup of your favorite plant-based milk in a small saucepan. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally. Then, reduce the heat to low and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, until the oats are wonderfully creamy and have absorbed most of the liquid. This simple method ensures a consistently great base. Now that you have your creamy base, let's talk about elevating the flavor. For a warm spice, add a pinch of cinnamon or a dash of vanilla extract while the oats are cooking. If you prefer a sweeter taste, stir in 1 tablespoon of maple syrup or agave nectar after the oats are done. You can also incorporate about 1/4 cup of mashed banana or apple sauce for natural sweetness and a lovely texture. These additions transform a simple bowl into something truly special. Toppings are where you can really get creative and customize your vegan oatmeal. Fresh fruits like berries, sliced bananas, or diced apples add natural sweetness and vibrant color. For a satisfying crunch, sprinkle on about 1 tablespoon of chopped nuts, seeds, or your favorite granola. A drizzle of 1 teaspoon of nut butter, such as almond or peanut butter, or a sprinkle of shredded coconut, will add a delightful richness. The possibilities are truly endless for a personalized touch. For those busy mornings, vegan oatmeal is fantastic for meal prepping. You can prepare a larger batch of plain oatmeal and store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 3 to 4 days, providing a convenient and healthy breakfast option throughout the week. When you're ready to eat, simply reheat it with a splash of plant-based milk to restore its creamy texture, and then add your favorite toppings. Enjoy a nutritious start to your day with minimal effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.